Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your interactive whiteboard. Now this I'm using the IPvo interactive whiteboard, so it might be a little different, but probably the same idea. So first what you want to do is probably most of the cables are unplugged on your computer. What I only have plugged in right now is my mouse, my internet connection, and my keyboard. So what you want to do is plug in your USB cable to the interactive whiteboard. So go ahead and plug that in. And then next you want to plug in your VGA cable leading to the wall box. So if you don't have the wall box, just to the projector. So go ahead. Actually, okay. Alright. So your VGA, you just want to plug that in to here. Make sure that's tightened. And then next, this is optional, plug it into your wall box or your visual presenter. In my case, I have a visual presenter, so I'm going to go plug that into there. Actually, I'm just going to leave that inside until we get there. Next, you want to just plug in your power. And then after that, maybe like flash drives, any junk that you want to just input to here. Alright, so next we're going to go on to your visual presenter. So first what you want to do is, this is optional. If you don't have a visual presenter, it doesn't really matter. Just plug in the AC in to the port. Alright, next you just want to plug the VGA out, and this will probably lead to your wall box or projector if you don't. Then you want to plug the VGA from your computer. So the VGA from your computer. And then you want to find the import on here. Let's turn this. I'm going to plug that into the import. So once that's done, make sure everything's safely plugged in. All good. Alright. So next you want to make sure the sound plugged in from the computer. This is just a basic thing for your active sound. Your active sound speaker, so go ahead. Well, maybe not active sound. Plug that into your sound card. And that's good, plug into the active sound or whatever you have. Next, you want to go to your wall box. If you have a VCR, leave that, it's probably good. And then your two, maybe if you don't have a wall box, it just leads, but two inputs and slash outputs. And then here is really the simple part. What you just want to do is plug in the power to the projector. And then your VGA to the projector, if I can get it in. Let me just put this. Oops. Alright. So, got everything plugged in, the VGA power, and maybe the RCA for the VCR. If you don't have active sound and you need the sound, just plug it into your projector if it has it, or just do it from your laptop. Next, you want to power on your projector, the main power source, whatever you have. for me that turns on the computer too. So in a moment this will load up with our image that we want. In a moment. Oh, this got unplugged. Computer. Alright. Please hold for a moment. Sorry about that, the VGA out was kind of loose. So now, you kind of just want to adjust the projector until you get the right image. Okay. And to change the source on your visual, get the light on that. To change the source on your visual presenter, it's either middle button or like a button over here. Mine is the middle button, so it just changes the source if you have the in. You can also select menu to access the menu, zoom in and out, playback, and capture. Now some visual presenters have more features, some have less, some just have like a power button. It doesn't really matter, as long as it works, it's good. So, let's go back onto our computer for a minute. Alright, so, just load, let me just turn off. Alright, so, I don't know, mine looks very clear, but I don't know why to you it doesn't. So, just want to get your pen for the board, and as you see, this is not calibrated. So what you need to do is you need to calibrate it. Now normally, there should be a button on this bottom dock, depending on the interactive whiteboard button, like an active manager or like whatever you have, and then click run calibration, and then just go through the calibration progress. Actually, but what I want to do, I want to do something different, because I know this projector doesn't work well. Hey, it's almost done, almost all set up. I think this should be good. Up. And then now we're close enough so we can just calibrate it. I guess. Depending on your calibration thing, have to like, you can't see this as well as me, have to like top dots or something. For me, I have the top little crosshairs, and then click OK, whatever. And then now, as you see, our cursor is aligned with the pen. And then now, I have Active Inspire. It really depends on what software you have. And then now you're pretty much all set up. But another thing that is optional is if this is available on your visual presenter, you can use a USB for your visual presenter. So let me just plug that in real quick. And then this end plugs into your computer, and then you'll probably get the feed up once you install the software or whatever. So close this. Let's test this out. So use green. Let's put it on kind of big. Let's rate high. As you see, this works, and now your interactive whiteboard is all calibrated, set up, and ready for use. Thanks for watching.